Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing this Troy built. This is a leaf blower and vacuum mulcher. So I got this because I want something that I can suck all the leaves off. There it is. There's a picture with the vacuum attachment with the bag. But I have so many leaves around here. I want to suck up. These are the ones on the driveway by my front step, and I have a lot of leaves in the yard. The ones in the yard, my riding lawnmower can pick those up pretty good, but it's the ones in the flower bed that I can't ride the lawnmower through. So I have 11 full-size trees in my yard, so I get a lot of leaves. That's a big oak tree, honeysuckle over there, or locust, honey locust over there, 2 honey locusts, oak trees, more oak trees in the back. This is a big walnut, I think it is, black walnut. So I got a lot of trees in my yard, and I needed something to suck up the leaves. I'm hoping this baby does the trick. Well, let's open it up, see how it looks. Comes with all the parts. Look at that bag, instructions, more parts. Here's the main event right there. Troy built. Wrong side. There, twisted in, locked into place. There we go. Snaps into place. Got that. Make sure to use oil mixture 40-to-1. Got that. Choke lever to 1. Oh, look at that, started. 2. And look at that, they have instructions for how to put together as a vacuum. So I'm going to have to do those steps right there. Put this. I'm supposed to take that thing off. Okay, Troy built. Your instructions here are stupid. It tells you set the unit on flat surface while holding the upper blower tube. That's this. Twist the lower blower tube counterclockwise till it unlocks. So this one here. But you can't do that until you actually push the lever. According to the diagram, lever being here. See, with the red. So you can't actually do that until you go down to this step here. So your instructions are a little out of place here, which I don't like. So twist it half turned. I can twist it easily, and then it comes out very easily. But that's not what your instructions said. Okay, Troy built. You have another failure in your instructions here. Here it says, insert a flat-headed screwdriver to the hole in the impeller door and press the impeller door lock tab inward. Open the impeller door. So this impeller door there. And the thing they don't tell you Alright, so push it in there, push it hard, 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 hard. They don't tell you that there's a slot on the inside, so make sure your screwdriver is flat like that, because there's a slot on the inside that you have to find. And once you find that, oops, I missed it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, you gotta find that slot. I know. So if you don't find that slot, it's not going in. Ever have that problem? Alright, let's see if we can get this first time. So with the door open, let's put this baby in here. We're supposed to line up the slots on the tube. One side has 2 slots, the other one has just 1 slot. Put those in there and turn. There we go. Got it. Finally, it worked right. Put that bigger one in here. Push that in there. Oh boy, get this in there right. And twist. I kind of got it on, but I think this tube and that tube, I think they're kind of warped. So they're not quite circular. And I can't get it in there to twist. But I'm going to leave it on there just like that. See if it stays together. Now, we got to put this piece on there. Let's see if this works. Putting that in there. See, I have that problem again. These tubes are not quite. And that snapped in, so that seemed to work pretty well. Now I got that there. Now I got to put the bag in the bottom. Let's just slide off one side. Try to put it up over the other. Okay, almost got it. Ah, there we go. Okay, now I can take this, cinch this part down. So this may be the only thing that I actually kind of like. It's the cinching thing. So far, that's been the easiest part. Nice and tight. I bet you it's ready to go now. So let's take this guy for a spin. Let's look at it first. There you go. Suck it up on that side, into the bag on that side. Let's go. Yep. Not too bad. I can see that's a small bag, so I'm going to have to empty that bag pretty quite a bit. For all that, I guess I chopped it up into that much mulch. Not too bad. There you have it. Troy built. So if you want to suck up leaves, do not put on the other attachment first, because you'll just have to take it off. Alright, there you have it. Start to finish. was no fun. This didn't pop off. Alright, so now I have to get out my find the slots. There we go. They're open. I had it snapped in there. Thought that part snapped in pretty good. So I'm surprised this part came off. Twist it. Just twist it as far as it will go. Let's try this again. See if I can get to not come apart this time. Take a look at the shoulder strap. Got that on. Put that on like that. That was much easier with the shoulder strap. So I think it's okay. I think it's good for small amounts of leaves. I'm not sure if it's great for huge amounts. But it certainly mulches them up pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how small it mulches them up. I think that's a good thing. So let me know in the comments what you think, if you're going to buy it, or if you decide not to buy it, based off of some of the things you saw here. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Alright, after just maybe 15-20 minutes of trying to use this thing, I think I've decided I'm going to return it. It is just not strong enough. It's gotten clogged a little bit easy, and I think I might go back and spend the extra $100 to get the professional model. This one was just under $200, and there was one that was under $300, about $300. That was probably a lot more powerful than this one is. So I think I'm going to take this one back and upgrade. That's my assessment. Hope you find this helpful. But yeah, I was trying to get some of the leaves up, and I noticed I lost suction, and it was just getting clogged, and it was over a pile of leaves that I have over there. So disappointing. Alright, so I finished off that saying that I was going to return it, and I wasn't able to return it because the store had a policy that since it was used and had gas in it, I couldn't return it. So I was kind of angry about that. But I said, oh well, okay, I'll just keep using it, even though I wasn't too terribly happy with the performance. So I was using this thing a little bit longer. I probably used it in total maybe 45 minutes at the most, very most. So I hadn't used it all that long, and now it's broken. I mean, there's something. I'm going to try starting it here so you can hear the sound of it. But I don't know if there's something broken on the inside, something lodged on the inside. And now because of this, the way this thing's connected on here for the tube, I can't get the tube off it. Because the tubes I think are kind of warped. But let me pull it so you can see what it sounds like. Yeah, that's something definitely going on the inside there. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can go. I don't know. I haven't had a chance yet to call the service center to see if I can get it, take it somewhere to have somebody look at it. But I don't want to pay anything to have it fixed. So if they try to tell me I need to pay to have it fixed, no way. Absolutely not. If they'll fix it for free, all right. But I wish I hadn't bought it. It's like money wasted. Spent more time messing with this thing than actually picking up leaves. So that's my experience with this Troy-Bilt leaf vacuum blower combo.